1x1 belt drive turntable, bringing a solid blend of classic vinyl warmth and modern convenience. This makes a great option for anyone who wants to enjoy records without the hassle of an old-school setup. This turntable's easy to set up and doesn't require much fine-tuning, making it a solid pick for beginners, while still offering enough customization to keep audiophiles happy. One of the standout features here is Bluetooth connectivity. Whether you're pairing it with wireless speakers or Bluetooth headphones, the aptX support ensures a seamless, high-quality listening experience. If you prefer a wired setup, the built-in phono preamp lets you connect to an amplifier or powered speakers effortlessly. When it comes to performance, sound quality is impressive. The diamond-tipped stylus cartridge delivers a rich, warm tone, capturing the depth and detail. The adjustable counterweight and anti-skating system help keep playback smooth, minimizing distortion and preventing the needle from skipping, giving the 1x1 an edge compared to competitors like the Sony PSLX 310 BT. It holds up well in terms of clarity, balance, and depth, making it a solid choice for most listeners. The 2-speed motor covers most record formats, and manual control adjustments give users flexibility over playback. The 1x1 belt drive turntable delivers a ton of value, especially for those who want modern features like Bluetooth and USB recording without sacrificing the analog experience. While some Bluetooth speakers might not pair seamlessly and built-in speakers are absent, these aren't major drawbacks considering its focus on sound quality and flexibility. If you want a budget-friendly, feature-packed turntable that makes enjoying vinyl effortless, this is one of the best options out there.